evening and welcome. The demand for Sonia Gandhi and Antonia Maino to come clean on her deal with Xi Jinping has become louder. And today, the standoff with China continues. Our army commanders have made it clear that neither have or will we ever budge an inch. In China, the criticism against the Chinese Communist Party has become stronger and louder and more vocal as details emerge that it is also evident how it is totally evident that we really beat the Chinese so hard that they have panicked about the sheer force of the Indian counterattack. All this information is coming into the public domain now. And all this information coming into the public domain now increases the scrutiny on Antonia Maino and the surround sound around her vassals, who tried to create, manufacturing a lie about Indians being hit very badly and Indians being hit alone. What was Antonia Maino's intention? Antonia Maino's intention and the intention of Antonia Maino's party was to create an atmosphere and an environment of distrust and insecurity in India and then claim political benefit as a result. Viewers, our in-depth analysis team has dissected the facts, and we will not stop till we expose completely China's agents in India, those whose disloyalty to the country is now a subject of public conjecture. But I must ask tonight, I must ask Anand Sharma, I must ask Ahmed Patel, and I must ask them all, was there a trade deal? Was there an economic angle? Was there a financial angle? Was there a defense angle in Sonia's secret deal with the Chinese Communist Party? And Sonia Gandhi, Antonia Maino, as someone whose pastime is to order FIRs, the nation wants to know, why doesn't Sonia Gandhi and Antonia Maino ask her two remaining stooge chief ministers in Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh to order FIRs against everyone, asking her to come clean on a secret deal with Xi Jinping? Is it because the image of her standing at the signing of this secret deal, that picture is not photoshopped? Let's show the picture, viewers. Is it because this picture is not photoshopped? Is it the prospect that if this picture starts getting investigated, that if Sonia Gandhi and Antonia Maino is asked by the police during her interrogation, or maybe by the NIA during her interrogation, then she will have to admit that yes, she did the unthinkable, that she did the unimaginable, that she did the unacceptable, that she signed a deal with the enemy? Or is it because she knows that when she admits that aspect, that she did sign a deal with the enemy and hid details of the deal from the people of India, then not just Republic, but Antonia Maino, the entire country will demand making your deal with Xi Jinping public. Make it public.